the software to find recipes to hit your macros. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see your goals for the day. So this is the goals that you're shooting for. And then of course, this is what's remaining and this is what's consumed. So the easiest way to plan out a day to hit your macros is to click autofill and allow the software to suggest recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you scroll down here, you'll see I've got some suggestions, and then here is what is still remaining. And it'll allow you to help use a fork and knife to find things to hit the rest of those goals. So it'll pop up here with what's closest. And I am going to just kind of scroll through here and see what looks good. So I'm going to go with non-fat yogurt. That'll help me get my protein in, and then go back down here one more time. Click this, and I'm going to go with the banana chip, or not banana chips, the pear. And there we go. So that is pretty darn close for hitting the macros. So that's the autofill. The other thing you can do is just go into your day and start typing in things that you want to eat. I'm going to try to find a blank day here. Oops. Okay, so I want oats for breakfast, so I'm going to type that in. Ooh, oats and banana, that actually sounded good. We'll just do this. 2 of that. I'm going to do a banana. So basically you're just plugging in everything that you want to eat for that day. I'm going to do a turkey sandwich for lunch. Oops, hopefully it doesn't, perfect, I'm going to add that. And then I always have some fruit for lunch, so let's say strawberries as a snack. And then I'm going to use this fork and knife to suggest options for dinner. So you'll see here, these are my, again, remaining numbers, and the software is going to pull the things that are closest. So I can kind of decide based on what sounds good, and then also kind of cross-reference to, of course, choose what's going to be closest to hitting my macros. So to be honest, that first option was really good, or I could even go with this deconstructed cabbage rolls. I'm going to do that and click that in there, and there we go. I've hit my